Find the total derivative of the functions and also verify the result by direct substitution. Z is given, z is equal to x y square plus x square y, where x is a 80 and y is equal to 280. Okay, given z and x and y. Now see that, now this one, z is a function of x and y, x and y is a function of single variable independent t. That means z is a composite function of single independent variable t. So we need a using total derivative formula. Total derivative formula is a dz by dt, and this is equal to dou z by dou x into dx by dt plus x and y is there. Now dou z by dou y into dy by dt. This is total derivative. Now dou z by dou x, differentiate z with respect to x partially. Dou means using partially. Z, this is a z with respect to x partially, we get y square plus 2xy into dx by dt with respect to t means only a is remaining, plus differentiate z with respect to y partially. Now with respect to y means 2xy and plus x square. Now differentiate y with respect to t means 2a only. Okay, now you know that y and x, x is given 80 and y is equal to 80. Now y square means this is a 4a square t square, first term, plus second one is 2xy. X into y is a 2a square t square into 2 means 4a square t square into a, plus second one same 2xy is a 4a square t square plus x square means this is square means a square t square into 2a. Now open the bracket, this is 8 times a square t square, 8 times a square t square and into a means 8 times a cube t square, plus this is 5 times a square t square into 2a. 5 means it is a 10, 10 times 5 plus 2 10 and a square into a cube 10 a cube t square. Now therefore dz by dt is equal to, you get 18 a cube t square. And also verify the result by direct substitution, taking z is equal to, put x and y and after differentiate with respect to t. Now we'll get the same result. Okay, now by direct substitution, z is equal to x y square plus x square y. Now at x is equal to 80 and y is equal to 280. Now taking x is 80 and y square is the square 4a square t square. Okay, this is 4a square t square and plus x square means a square t square into y means 280 and this is equal to 4 a cube t cube plus 3 a cube t cube. Okay, so this is 2. Now multiplication, now this one is 2a cube t cube and this is equal to 6 times a cube t cube, only z is equal to a cube t cube. Now you differentiate with respect to t. Now therefore differentiate z with respect to t, dz by dt is equal to, now this is 18 a cube and t square. Now see the first result, this one and this one. Now it is these two results are same. This is verified.